Go on. Continue speaking. Here, go on means to continue speaking. Like when someone is talking and you want them to continue, you say, "Go on, I'm listening." Another example is, "He went on telling the story," meaning he kept talking without stopping. Go on. An event continues or starts. In this use, go on means that an event starts or keeps going. For example, the show will go on at 8 p.m. It means the show will continue as planned. Or, the class goes on after break. The class continues again. Go on. Something keeps happening. Sometimes go on is used when something keeps happening again and again, like the noise went on all night. It means the noise continued non-stop. Or the rain is still going on. The rain hasn't stopped yet. Go on. Encourage someone to continue. Here, go on is used when we want to encourage someone to continue speaking or doing something. For example, go on, tell me more. You're asking them to continue, or you paused, go on. Keep talking, don't stop. Go on. Time passes. Go on can also show the passing of time, like in this sentence. As time goes on, you will learn. It means with time, learning will happen. And life goes on after pain. Life continues even after difficult moments. Go on. Use information to decide here. Go on means to depend on information to make a decision. For example, I can only go on what you said. I can only decide based on your words. Or, they went on the report they got. They made a decision based on the report. Go on. Expression for surprise or curiosity. Sometimes people say go on just to show curiosity or surprise. Like, guess what happened? Go on. It means tell me more, I'm curious. Another example is, go on. What did he say next? You want them to continue the story. Go on. Lighter machine turns on. Here, go on is used when a machine or light starts working by itself. For example, the light went on suddenly. It means it turned on, or the fan goes on automatically. It starts running on its own. Go on about something. Talk too much. When someone keeps talking too much about the same thing, we say they go on about it, like, she goes on about her problems all day. She keeps talking non-stop. Or, don't go on about it again. Don't repeat it again and again. Go on at someone. Nag or scold repeatedly. Here, go on at someone means to keep nagging or scolding again and again. For example, she keeps going on at me to study. She keeps telling me to study again and again, or stop going on at him all the time. Stop nagging him constantly.